back to Ninja Tech Martial Arts. Tonight we're going to be working on cold exposure, and this as it pertains to a martial artist. Now I'm going to explain why I do this on a daily basis, but I also submerge myself into near ice cold water depending on the situation. Right now it's fall in Montana. The nights are staying pretty steady right around freezing, but tonight it's not freezing, so it's perfect. I'm always worried about my camera equipment as far as that's concerned. However, I take regular ice baths, but the main thing I do every single day is I take a cold shower. Now, of course, I learned this from the Wim Hof method. I'm going to discuss a couple reasons why you would do this. This right here, it gains a lot of mental power. You're overcoming something. I could tell you right now that I've tried to get so many people to do the cold water exposure and they won't even touch it with a 10-foot pole. The reason for this is there's a lot of fear involved in this. I mean, just this last summer, I was diving in the river during the summertime. Everybody's like, you're crazy for doing that. And all I could think of is, wow, that's people really are scared of cold water. And this is just another way of overcoming your fear and pushing your mental. I like to stay in the water about 7 minutes on average. I do my cold showers for 2 minutes. When I do my ice baths, I'll stay in for about 7 minutes. I'll do between 5 and 7. Today I'm going to just do 3. Now 3 minutes is all is needed to stay in cold water. That's all you have to do. 2 or 3, depending on whoever you talk to. But what I'm going to do is just go in here for 3 minutes, okay? First thing I want to explain is how to do this safely. Start off with the cold showers. Just take a warm shower, and then right after the warm shower, just take the cold shower for 2 minutes. And at first you're going to notice that your body has this gasp response. And that's going to go away after about 10 days. I read that in Wim Hof's book, and it is actually very accurate. It's very close to around 10 days. You won't feel that gasping for air anymore. You'll feel it less and less, basically. You'll always feel it a little bit. Just train up with those cold showers. 2-minute cold showers every day, and do it every day. Don't stop. As soon as you start to stop, your body isn't acclimated to it anymore. But after you've done, I'd say the cold showers for 6 months, even to a year, depending on your comfort level, then you can start to go to the colder water, meaning going out to the lake, fall or winter time, or just taking ice baths. Now when I take an ice bath, I just get the water as cold as I can, I fill it, and about 2 bags of ice, and I'm good. I usually stay in there about 7 minutes, but again, work on your own comfort level, but be very careful with this. This is dangerous, and make sure you warm up. Some people say warm up naturally. If you're going into really cold water, warm up fast. Have a hot tub ready, a hot bath ready, but the bottom line is you have to be careful with this. This can mess you up. I highly advise just looking up Wim Hof, the Wim Hof method, okay? He has way more information on this. He's kind of the pioneer of this as such. There are so many benefits for cold exposure for martial artists. Mainly, like I said, your mental. Your mental is so important. You're pushing past. You're going longer than you could take it before. And for your circulation and your recovery, unbelievably important. I cannot tell you how fast the cold exposure has helped my body recover. It's incredible. But I'm just going to go in here for 3 minutes. Like I said, I normally do 7. That's just going to be boring to watch. I'm going to speed up the footage anyway. But just keeping in mind for martial artists how important this is. Your mental, your physical, your spiritual even. And the thing about this is there's just something incredible about when you come out, you feel better. Again, you want more information, just look up the Wim Hof method. I try to talk to as many people as I can about it, just to build awareness, but again, do it safely. Very important to do it safely. So I'm going to step into the water, and I'm going to time 3 minutes, all right? Again, really important, and you noticed I hardly gasped right there. I've been doing this for a while. Very, very important to actually get your entire core under. Some people do not do that. They just get their legs under, and that's fine if you're wanting to train your getting your feet used to cold exposure, your hands used to cold exposure by themselves, but this is very important to get your entire core under. All right, you don't actually start to feel the effects till you get your core under. So again, full exposure. Usually don't, well, I'm not going to put my head under right now, but very important every now and then to put your head under. But you got to be careful because sometimes if somebody has bad headaches, this can make the situation worse. But here we go. So again, the more and more you do this, the more you get used to the feeling of it. And you're going to get more and more comfortable with this. Now you'll notice extreme pain for, oh, I don't know, I'd say about, it's different for everybody, but when I first started doing this, I had pain for the first couple minutes. After a while, it's dwindled down to pain, I'd say for the first 30 seconds or so, and then it goes away. But it's an incredible feeling, and already we're close to a minute and a half here. So yeah, just give it a shot, everybody. All right, so did 3 minutes in the cold water again, and I'm telling you, and I promise you, the more and more you do this, the more you'll get used to it. It won't feel like that bad of a thing. You just have to train yourself. Again, do it safely and build up with the cold showers, okay? A warm shower followed by a cold shower for 2 minutes every day. And I promise you, you'll start to feel better, and this is gonna help your martial arts tremendously. Again, I thank you for all your support, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.